So I decided to return this. It had screw holes for a faceplate mount on the bottom, so I went ahead and just reused them. This has epoxy and Brazilian pepper, and the epoxy went through a hole all the way through. My intent is to change this shape to something I think will be prettier. Right now it's kind of a blob, so my thoughts are it comes out, goes in, and then out again. Obviously I can't go too thin, but that's about 1 inch in diameter. Okay, here is a vase that I modified another vase into this. I had made a egg-shaped vase about 2 years ago, and I finally decided it wasn't really a good shape, so I ended up returning it. It took very little time to return it since I had the faceplate screw holes still in the bottom of the thing, so I was able to just reattach it to a faceplate and turn it quickly. This has epoxy resin in a hole that was in a piece of Brazilian pepper that looks better this way because it's thinner now, so it lets a little bit more light through. I took a few minutes to do this. This is, here, let me tip this a little bit. You can see there's bark, so there's not a full bottom on this, but its center of gravity is over the base and not hanging over the side, so it won't tip so much. But in any case, there it is, and the part I started with, the video that was made for that 2 years ago, is in the end, at the end screen.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.